Your doctor is the first person you need to contact when you are not feeling fine. He is working from Monday to Friday. You can book an appointment or go directly to his ambulatory during his opening hours. The general information that you need to know about your doctor are his telephone number, opening hours of his office, and know if you need an appointment or not to see him. When you have a health insurance card, you can choose your doctor. If you have applied for the residence permit or renewal and still waiting for the document, you have the right to consult your doctor. The pediatrician treats children from 0 to 14 years. All the children and foreigners under 18, even without residence permit, have the right to have a pediatrician. If you are not feeling fine from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. or during holidays, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., when your doctor is not in service, you can call the emergency medical service. You can ask that number to your doctor. Their service is free if you have a doctor in your area. In case you need immediate medical assistance, you must go to the emergency service with your own means or in ambulance. Call the 118 for ambulance. The call is free. Upon arrival to the emergency, you will receive the code. Red for serious health problems. That means the problem is very serious and you need immediate medical assistance. Or your life will be at risk. Yellow for serious health problem. You need quick assistance. Green for less serious problem. You can wait. White for non-serious problems. You can have a long wait. The access to the emergency is free for serious health problem. You will have to pay a ticket if you access the emergency for a less or non-serious problem like fever, cough, or flu. Please don't call the 118 for less or non-serious health problem because the ambulance you will have at your disposal could have been useful for somebody else with a more serious problem. Furthermore, you will still have to wait for long at the emergency room if your problem is not serious.